Hello everybody, this is another video which will show you how to create a team for use with your class. I imagine this will be really good for students from year 5 and above. So access your Microsoft Teams area. If you've got vanilla Office 365, you would just go to the waffle in the top left hand corner in any Microsoft app, okay? So I'm now in my Microsoft Teams area, and you can see I've created a class team. I'll show you how to do that. We go to create a team. Okay. This class team is brilliant because it allows you to automatically set assignments and have an area for files that the students won't be able to edit. So that's the one we need to select. Give it a name. Again, put your school in, class 7. Give it a description if you want to. Click next. It will go through the steps that will show you. We would now add the students first. So if I add a student, so these are some students in my class, I'm going to add Daisy. And sometimes this happens on the first time. If you just retry it. Okay, so that user has gone in. It might be that Microsoft's just taken a bit of a hit at the moment. So you can add your students. If you've got a distribution list, you can add them. If not, you'll have to add them one by one. And then you can also add your teachers to your account. So now I've got another teacher and one student. So I close that and it has made my team. Right. The two areas, so we've got a class materials team. It will automatically set you up a class OneNote if you want to. And if we go to the files area, you'll notice, it's just waiting for it to sync. So I'm going to flip into a class with some content in, so I can demonstrate more effectively for you. So you can see that I've added all the students and another teacher to the team. If we look on the files area, what's different in a class team to a regular team is that it creates a read-only file for your class materials. So if we click here, you'll notice I've just uploaded some content for the students to access. But when I show you that logged on as a child, you'll see that it's all read-only. Okay. I imagine in the first instance, you could upload files here for your students to access and also assignments. So if we go to assignments, you could create an assignment. We'll start from scratch. Test assignment. Put in some instructions. Open the PowerPoint called files. Okay. I can assign this to individual students in the class or the whole class. By default, it's on all students. You can say when it's due. So if I assign, you'll see that that test assignment has now been set. If we post, everybody will get a notification. We've just got one channel in this class. If we go to posts, it will show you that the assignment is there ready and the students will go on. I'll just quickly flip to show you what that looks like as a child. So I'm now logged in as a child called Shannon, and you can see that test assignment's ready for her. She could go and do that assignment, and the files area, as I suggested, is all read only. So they can access all that content but can't make any changes.